So for template setting, if I check here from the home tab, generally when open any drawing there are lots of layers here. Also from the invite folder there are many type of style, but here you can see only the standard. In each of the format there is standard style. So how you can add different style if you want any of your other drawing, if you like the dimension style like plan, profile, text, anything style, you can bring and put it here, and then you can save your template. So for that I will press Ctrl 2 and this dialog box will open. Then you must go where you put your save your drawings. So I will open this app folder. From here I put some drawing here with from here I like the style, so I will select this drawing. Like if I click on the drawing there are many options open here like blocks. Suppose if I need layer, so these all layer, as you can see before there was only one layer here. So if I want to add this all layer, just select all and put here, or you can select like this, select and right click add layer, or pick outside and put here. And now you can see here is all layer and here better you go to end and then select all like this one, like shift, press shift and or control A and put it here. So all the layer will directly include in this template drawing. Again for the block, if I click the block, if you want many block, you you can use this block inside this drawing. So like this same process, select these blocks same like press the last one is heavy like this and just click on insert block and it will insert. And you just simply, if you need one or two, just click and drag inside. Suppose if I want to this new block here, just drag it to your right like this code. If I want, just here insert it here and it will include in your drag this template like this slide pole. So like this you can add different block to your template file. Detail view style like dimension style. If I want many dimension, you can see there is a style. Select this one and just drag it to your drawing, or right click and add dimension, and this will add to your dimension style. If you can see here, before it was only standard. Now how many these style they are included in this template drawing. Same already I added layout there, line type. If you want you can add line type to your table style. Many thing here you can add. Again if you want from any other drawing, so you can select from the drawing and you can put this dimension here. Okay, so that was about how to add dimension, layers, style, different style from the drawing you like to your template file. Okay, again if you want to set the text style of the template, you want to, you just right click here and go from here. If you can see there is label and there are label default style. So from here you can open one by one, and from here you click and you can select menu here. Okay, now your text style will be standard by default. It is standard. When you will open this template for the new drawing, the standard. So from here you can select any of one of the style you want to select. You can select here. Again visibility is through layer. You can select from here any one of layer you want to bother your text. You can select here or you can take from other drawing, it must be open, or you can create new drawing, write the name of that layer here, select color, and you can select from here. Okay, behavior is like here the readability bias. Suppose I want to, this degree is 90, so I will write 90 here. Okay, the other thing, the component height, the leader height 3 mm by default, the color by layer, you can select from here. The text height 3 mm. Suppose if you want to increase this 5 mm like this, so the border leader, anything you want you can select from here. Other thing, for this child override, you must if you select anything, you must child cross this child override and then apply and then okay. Again, when you open this drive, when you cancel this child override, you can see this one, this now remove from here. The according about the child override, we will discuss later. This will come in the next videos. Okay, from here you can select the layer textile, anything you want to fix, you can lock from here, and then it will not change to the from here. If you select this standard drag, it will from the down here, it will show you this textile. Set the textile from where the department parent style, from here it will take, and this where it is using, it will show you from here. Okay, so like this you can set your textile from here. Suppose if I want to, you can see here is text standard, standard by default it's selected, so you can select